Part 5 of Jack London's White Fang delineates the final transformative phase of White Fang's life, as he moves from the harsh wilderness of the North to the complexities of human civilization in California. This section of London's work details White Fang's acclimation to his new environment, underlining themes of loyalty, domestication, and redemption. White Fang's journey begins with a display of unwavering loyalty. Despite Weedon Scott's and Matt's conviction that White Fang cannot adapt to life in California, White Fang breaks through a window to follow Scott, showcasing his deep bond with his master. This act persuades Scott to bring White Fang along, signifying the start of significant changes in White Fang's life. Upon arrival in San Francisco, White Fang is thrown into a world of chaos and confusion. The cacophony of the city, its towering buildings, and crowded streets are foreign and intimidating to him. However, his loyalty remains steadfast, as evidenced by his protectiveness over Scott's luggage during their travel to Sierra Vista, Scott's home. The Scott estate presents a multitude of challenges for White Fang. His initial aggressive encounter with Collie, a sheepdog, and a misunderstanding with another dog, Dick, showcase his primal instincts and distrust towards other animals. Nevertheless, through patience and guidance from Weedon Scott, White Fang begins to learn the complexities of life in human society, contrasting sharply with his more straightforward existence in the North. White Fang's adjustment is not without its hurdles. His experiences with the Scott family and the estate's other animals reveal the intricacies of domestic relationships, far removed from his life in the wild. Yet, his intelligence and the consistent command from Scott help him navigate these new dynamics, including an amusing episode with chickens that cements his obedience. His loyalty and protective instincts are put to the test in a defining moment when Weedon Scott is injured and relies on White Fang to fetch help. Despite the challenge in communication, White Fang's persistence ensures Scott's rescue, earning him greater respect and affection from the family. A shift in White Fang's relationship with Collie, moving from antagonism to a playful, flirtatious interaction, mirrors his broader transition from wildness to domestication. Their eventual mating signifies White Fang's acceptance into the domestic sphere, blending his wild heritage with his new life. The novel reaches its climax when White Fang defends Judge Scott's home from an intruder, Jim Hall, a convict bent on revenge. White Fang's ferocious defense not only saves the Scott family, but also secures his place within it. Critically injured, White Fang's recovery is assured through the care afforded by Scott, culminating in his earning the title Blessed Wolf. London's narrative wraps up with White Fang, now fully integrated into his new world, surrounded by his offspring. This ending symbolizes the culmination of White Fang's journey from the wild to domestication, highlighting themes of loyalty, adaptability, and redemption. White Fang's evolution from a creature of the wilds to a beloved family member and protector showcases London's exploration of the transformative power of love and social belonging. That's all for today. Please let me know if you liked this video by smashing the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let me know in the comments what books you would like to see a video on next. Signing off for now. This has been another Bookly Crash Course video.